One thing that people don't know that they ask me every day, they say, Dr. Yates, isn't your hair alive? And I say, absolutely not. So I want to show you something. So all this beautiful, the external hair strands, there are no living cells within the external hair strand. So every time you're doing shampoos, conditioners, and all these things, it's like waxing a car. What counts with your hair is under the scalp. And so a lot of people say, how could that be true? And I say, well, when you cut your hair, does it hurt? No. So if I cut your skin, does it hurt? Yes, because there are living cells in there. So it's very important to know all this beautiful stuff here is not living. What is living is, say, beneath the scalp, there's something called the hair bulb, or just make it simple, it's the root. And then everything out here that you see on Dr. Maya is basically dead. And if you watch crime shows, a lot of people, and I saw one recently from like in the 1970s, and they said they took a hair strand from somebody and they figured out he was black. And I was like, that's impossible. You know why? Because if you take my hair strand, or I take one of Maya's hair strands, there's no DNA in there. You can't figure out what race or anything. What you can figure out is maybe, you know, if you saw her and you cut another piece of her hair, matched it up, but there's no DNA in your hair strand. So if you watch CSI or something like that and they get DNA in a hair strand, they're full of it. So know the facts. This is dead. The live part is under the scalp, and that's what counts. Catch us for number 2, which will be in 2 days.